Welcome to Mantra Software Services. We are a TMMI Level 5 certified company that delivers top-quality testing solutions. In this video we will see the demo of performance testing using Jenkins with JMeter. This video will be the demo on how Jenkins is integrated with JMeter for performance testing. The outlines of the video are as follows. First, performance testing workflow. Second, test scenario, pet store web application. Third, performance test script development demo. Fourth, integrating Jenkins with JMeter. Fifth, demo of performance test execution using Jenkins. The performance testing workflow 3 covers 1. Requirement gathering. 2. Project estimation. 3. Project schedule. 4. Test plan. 5. Test design document. 6. Test script development. 7. Baseline test. 8. Test execution. 9. Analysis of all performance logs. 10. Performance report and recommendations. 11. Rerun performance tests during and after fixes. Let's move forward with. The demo will be based on the test scenario, pet store web application. The flow of this test scenario is as follows. Launch the pet store demo application. Log into the pet store demo application. Choose a random category. Choose a random product. Add products to cart. Proceed to checkout. Perform payment. Confirmation of order. And logout. Now let's see the performance test script development demo. 1. Launch JMeter. 2. Record the script based on the test scenario. 3. Specify the required parameterization and correlation. 4. Specify the required number of virtual users in the thread group. 5. Configure ramp-up time. 6. Configure steady-state duration. 7. Add view results tree from listeners. 8. Add respective reports from listeners. 9. Add respective graphs from listeners. 10. Add Prometheus listeners for Grafana report. 11. Save the JMeter script. Let's go to the JMeter can be integrated with Jenkins to schedule or trigger performance tests automatically at fixed intervals. 1. Install Jenkins. 2. Launch Jenkins from the web browser. 3. Log into Jenkins. 4. Install required plugins. 5. Create a new project. 6. Add triggers to schedule test execution. 7. Add Excel report to Jenkins using execute Windows batch command in build steps. 8. Add JMeter script using execute Windows batch command in build steps. 9. Add post-build actions for report generation. 10. Save the project. 11. Start the execution. 12. Analyze the Jenkins report from performance trend page. 13. Download and analyze the Excel report. Let's see the demo of performance test execution. results final report will be presented in an MS Excel workbook with a worksheet containing the following information. Executive Summary. Errors. Transaction Summary. Response time. Load test statistics. Server monitoring logs. Observation and recommendation. Thank you for watching the demo. You can put your comments below. For more details, contact us at services@mantharsoft.com. Or you get your free trial at mantharsoft.com/free-trial.